Ladies and gentlemen, we once again welcome you back to the dance performances. We shall now witness a very unique piece, a Devarnama, composed by Guru Dr. Sanjay Shantaram. Namo Namo Hanumanta. Hanuman, who is adorably called Vayuputra, is praised in this piece with utmost devotion, with instances of him swallowing the sun as a toddler, thinking of it to be a fruit. Disturbed by this, Indra kills him with his Vajrayudhya. An angered Anjani, Hanuman's mother, swallows all the air in the world, leaving the people breathless and dying. Indra pleads with Anjani to release the Vayu, and she agrees only if and when Hanuman is brought back to life. Indra bestows him with life again, and the baby releases the sun. This purely devotional piece is set to Ragamalika and Aditala. It will be presented by Sanjana Das. Sanjana, the daughter of Savita and Hari Das, is currently studying in class 7 at the National Public School. She started dancing at the age of 3. Ladies and gentlemen, the Devarnama.
Gama pada basa ni da ni da pa ma ma ni da ma ga re ga ma pa re ga re ga ma pada ba ma ga re sa re da sa re ga re ga ma pada ni da ma ga re sa ga ma pa ma ga re sa re da sa re ga re ga ma pada ni da ma ga re sa ga ma pa ma ga re sa re da sa re ga re ga ma pada ni da ma ga re sa ga ma pa sa re ga re ga ma da sa ga re sa ni da pa sa ni da pa da ga re sa ni da pa da pa ma ga re ga re sa ni da pa ma ga re ga namo namo Hanumanta 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 Shri Rama Bhakta Parama Gunavanda Namo Namo Hanumanta Shri Rama Bhakta Parama Gunavanda Namo Namo Hanumanta Anjani putrane Anjani putrane Anjani putrane Anjani putrane Anjani putrane Anjani Anjani putrane Anjani putrane Anjani putrane Anjani putrane Anandanam datanam danatum भगवते श्रीरामभक्ताय नमो भगवते श्री वायुपुत्राय सकल शत्रुदोष निवारक